Pet water bowl vehicle carried car. Water bowl auto-adjustable floating bowl. With large capacity anti-spill slow water bowl avoid wet mouth pet bowl for dogs. Cat's anti-choking pet bowl. It is not only serves as a no-spill dog water bowl for dogs when with the floating plate, but also a food feeding bowl when without the plate for dogs, cats. Small, medium, and large breeds. Floating disc is reinforced by the fixed border. Can effectively avoid water splashing to your floor. This anti-spill bowl can reduce messy water trails and spills from your pet mouth. When your pets press the floating plate, the water will outflow from the central holes of the plate. The water level is automatically adjusted as your pet drinking. Your pet will enjoy its fresh water. The floating disc can protect the water as fresh as possible from the dust. It is easy to assemble. The whole bowl has 3 parts: a fixed border, a floating disc, and a bowl. It is very convenient for the owner to assemble, easy to disassemble and assemble for easy to clean.